This is a telescope that I just received today, and it's a Skywatcher Heritage 100. Is a Maxitov Newtonian. No, sorry, it's a Newtonian and a Dobsonian mount. I bought it mainly for the mount of it, but I know that it's a very wide-angle telescope, and I can use it also. Let's just open it and see. Okay, this is the box opened. As you can see, the telescope is this. Well packaged telescope. I like this red color. That's beautiful. Let me see if I can take it out. Okay, this is the telescope itself. I loved it because it has this dovetail attachment head that it can actually attach any telescope with this bracket, dovetail bracket, and we call it Brixen bracket, and that means that it can be used with anything. So let's see how it is. It comes with two eyepieces. The eyepieces are these standard eyepieces of the Skywatcher, and a Barlow lens, 10mm and super 25 wide angle. Here we are now in Shropshire, and tonight will be dark completely, hopefully. It has one of the darkest night skies free from light pollution in the UK, after Wales, mountains of the Wales, where the Space Guard Observatory is. But here we have also a good environment, and this is the Skywatcher Heritage F4 telescope. Is a Heritage 100mm Dobsonian. I love this stand of it. I can use it with my 80mm refractor, and this is the reflector Skywatcher one that I've installed here. As you can see, the moon is in the sky. So, and we are looking forward to see the moon. I can look at the moon with this 40mm Windowsill eyepiece. It's quite wide angles. It's one of the best eyepieces I've seen. It's quite cheap. I bought it probably for £10, £20. It's one of the widest field of view I've ever seen. And let me look at the moon now.